Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by putting the device into airplane mode to cut cellular signals. This prevents roaming and keeps you compliant. Once done, keep Bluetooth only if a headset needs it, but do not enable cellular data. Next, make sure you have the aircraft Wi-Fi name and any payment method or voucher ready. This speeds the process. Finally, confirm with crew if the airline requires explicit permission. Doing this upfront avoids interruptions and lets you focus on connecting to the plane's network. You now enable Wi-Fi while airplane mode stays active. This reactivates the device radio purely for Wi-Fi so cellular remains off. Once you select the cabin SSID, a captive portal often appears. Follow it, accept terms, and enter any voucher or payment details provided. If the portal doesn't open, launch a browser and go to a non-HTTPS site to force redirection. Also, make sure to choose low-bandwidth apps and pause automatic updates. That minimizes delays and prevents. You finish by verifying pages load and that your connection speed is usable. Check the Wi-Fi indicator and the captive portal status. Once connected, make sure to disable background sync, auto updates, and push notifications so you don't consume bandwidth or incur extra fees. If you hit problems, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on. If that fails, forget the network and rejoin to trigger a fresh portal. Finally, ask crew or the provider's support if the portal won't authenticate. That single tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.